Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Gemma Zikrina and I'm here to talk about the economic issue in Indonesia. Currently, the economic issue in Indonesia is the challenges the banking sector faces due to the global economic uncertainty. So the bank must stay alert to the factors like exchange rate fluctuation, rising US interest rates, and the geopolitical tension that could impact Indonesia's economy. Our Financial Ministry, Sri Mulyani, emphasized the importance of maintaining financial stability and strong bank performance amid this global shift. So the government is also working to strengthen the banking system through the regulation like the P2SK law. Additionally, there's a need to improve financial literacy among the public to help them avoid financial risk, especially in this rapidly growing digital era. So therefore, the banking sector must adapt and stay resilient despite the global uncertainties. So that's all. Thank you very much and have a good day.